Enzo, you ready to spread some love through our words? All right, you gotta let me go first, okay? You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Okay. Through words. Enzo, you need to let me go, okay? They want to hear me talk too. Through words of affirmation. Today will be... Enzo, you repeat after me, okay? You don't even know the words of affirmation. I have to start. No, we're not gonna... We're not switching it up, okay? I start, you repeat. Thank you. We're never gonna get anywhere. Then you start. We're not doing this.